Here's a certified 2019 Mercedes-Benz C-Class. The C-Class has pioneered breakthroughs in performance, safety, and luxury for 5 generations, raising the bar and putting innovation within reach. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: external memory control, dual-zone climate control, memory exterior door mirror settings, express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, rear-wheel drive, voice activation, power tilting steering column, gas pressurized shocks, auto-dimming rear view mirror, and automatic transmission. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top-quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.